Sound delay on a TV is one of the most annoying problems, when lips move first and the audio comes later, or voices start before the scene even changes. This lip sync issue often appears while watching movies, streaming apps, live TV, or using a soundbar. In this video, I will show you why TV audio goes out of sync and the simple at-home fixes that actually work. Let's start with the most common fix, which is adjusting the audio sync or lip sync settings on your TV. Go into your TV settings, open Sound or Audio. Then look for Expert or Advanced settings. Here you'll find options like Audio Sync, Lip Sync, or Audio Delay. Play a video with clear dialogue while you adjust this setting. If the sound comes after the lips move, increase the delay value. If the sound comes before the lips move, decrease the delay and keep testing until the audio matches the picture. Now let's talk about changing the digital audio output format, because this also fixes delay in many cases. In the sound settings, find Digital Audio Output or SPDIF output. If it's set to Bitstream, change it to PCM. Bitstream processes audio and can cause delay, while PCM sends simpler audio that usually stays in sync. After switching to PCM, play a video again and check if the sound delay is gone. If the problem continues, the next step is power cycling all devices, which is basically a soft reset. Turn off your TV and any connected audio devices like a soundbar or receiver. Unplug everything from the wall and wait for about 60 seconds. After that, plug all devices back in, turn them on, and check the audio sync again to see if the delay is fixed. Another important step is checking for TV software updates and resetting the sound settings. Go into the TV settings, open Support or System Options, and check for any available software or firmware updates. If there is an update, install it. After that, reset the sound settings back to default from the Sound or Expert Settings menu. Software bugs can cause audio delay, and updating or resetting often clears those issues. If you're using an external audio device like a soundbar or AV receiver, the sound delay might be coming from there. Use the soundbar remote or its mobile app and look for audio sync or delay settings. Adjust the delay on the sound system and try to match it with the TV's audio settings so both devices are properly synced. When HDMI ARC or EARC is involved, it's important to check those settings as well. Go into the TV sound settings and see if HDMI ARC or EARC is enabled. Try turning it off and then turning it back on. Also, make sure the HDMI cable is connected to the correct HDMI port on the TV that is labeled ARC or EARC, because using the wrong port can cause audio delay. If the sound delay only happens when using streaming devices like Fire Stick, Roku, or Chromecast, then the fix is usually inside the streaming device itself. Open the audio settings on that device and look for audio sync options. Restart the streaming device and also restart or update the streaming apps you're using. Then check if the delay is resolved. Sometimes audio enhancements and special sound modes are the reason behind the delay. Go into the sound settings and turn off audio enhancements or surround sound modes. Also check game mode or low latency latency and see how they affect the audio. Keep these modes on only if they don't create sound delay. Finally, don't skip checking the HDMI cables and connections. Unplug the HDMI cables from both the TV and the connected device, then plug them back in properly. If you have another HDMI cable available, try using that one. Loose or damaged HDMI cables can cause audio sync problems, and fixing the connection can solve the issue completely. That's it for this video on fixing sound delay and lip sync issues on your TV. I hope these step-by-step fixes help you get the audio and picture perfectly synced again. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and useful TV and tech fixes. If you have any questions, or one of these steps worked for you, share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.